This man played a trick on me. He emailed us and told us that he failed, and then all the way down, he scrolled. You had to scroll all the way down to finish the email, and it was like, "Psych, I passed." And I was just like, "What are you doing to me, bro?" It was hilarious.
Hey, Dr. Z.
So, what attempt was this for you?
My first.
First attempt, and what course were you in?
I was on the July 30th.
July 30th course. And now you have passed on your first attempt, July course. And what is your advice for people on the other side?
There are a lot of advices that I really want to impart because number one is trust Dr. Z, all the nurses, because they help me every day when I'm doing my passive and active learning. When I do my passive learning, I just put on the podcast, and sometimes I just listen to it. They became my lullaby at night. And then believe me, when I was taking the course, or especially taking the board, I can hear them. There's Justin when he was saying, "Oh, do the the dot thing." It helped me, made me organize with that. And you're always in my at the back of my head, especially when there was like a topic regarding the Addison's disease. It was there, so the select all apply, everything is there. And second is like do NCLEX related every day, regardless of what you do. Either
Absolutely.
you listen to it, you're doing something, put on the podcast, just as long as you listen, because subconsciously you'll be learning as well. When I was at work, I worked as a full-time nurse here in the UK. So it helped me a lot. And when when you feel that you're studying very hard and you're burning out, take a break, maybe just a day,
Yeah.
because that will
Absolutely.
burn you out, really, really burn you out. And reach out for help if you really need it. There are some like like high yield students right now that who reach out to me at the moment, and I answer them, just give them some advices from the Facebook account. They reach
Absolutely.
out, I reach out to them just to help to give them advice. And when I went into the testing center, I was really confident. I know that I will pass. Because remember, Dr. Z, the night before, I was really freaking out. I
Oh,
emailed
yeah.
you, I emailed you, and there was a phrase that you told me, and when you said that you're with me until I pass, that
Yes.
settled me so much that the next day when I went to when I take the board, I was so confident. And even when I finished the exam, I went to the receptionist. I told her I passed the board. That's how
Yeah.
confident I am. That's how confident I am.
That's
So just
amazing.
don't lose hope. Trust Dr. Z and every high yield nurses. They will help you until you pass. Believe me. And last one is because I work as a triage nurse as well. What Dr. Z teaches us helps me determine what's happening with the patient, especially when I do the triage. I can slice down what's happening from, let's say, from the statins to the kidney failure. I did that.
Wow.
It
Wow.
really helps.
That's
So
amazing.
yeah, it's really amazing, doctors, and I can't express what my feelings are for NREX High Yield and for you, because without you, I won't be here in this.
Wow, I'm so honored to be a part of your journey and everyone else's journey. It truly is it's a blessing to me. It humbles me as a human being to know that I can impact people's lives like that, and it truly gives me purpose on this earth. So, thank you for sharing that story and allowing me to be a part of your journey.